Remove the original parts. Install them onto the new device. We provide 2 sets of wiring harnesses. Select one set based on your vehicle. This is the CAN bus box. This is a 20-pin multi-function wiring harness. This is the fan power cable. It needs to be connected to the corresponding connector on the 20-pin harness. This is the microphone. Please note that this microphone must be connected. Otherwise, you will not be able to use the microphone function. These 2 are USB connection cables. This 10-pin connector is for the reverse camera, Wi-Fi, and Bluetooth signal. Now we are connecting the GPS signal antenna. There are 2 sets of radio antennas. Use one based on your vehicle. This is the reverse camera included with our product. Connect the red connector and black connector of the camera. This is the 5-meter video transmission and signal control cable. Twist the 2 red wires together, then connect them to the positive terminal of the reverse light. Note: must connect to the positive terminal of the reverse light. Do not connect it to the brake light by mistake. Connect this black wire to the negative terminal of the reverse light. Connect the yellow connector of the camera to this yellow connector. Connect the yellow connector at the other end of this 5-meter video cable to the 10-pin reverse camera connector. This is the power cable. Connect to the CAN bus box. Plug in the 16-pin connector. This is the power supply for the CAN bus box. Connect this to the original vehicle's corresponding connector. If the original vehicle does not have an amplifier function, connect to no amp. If the original vehicle has an amplifier function, connect to with amp. Connect amp det to amp kit on the 20-pin harness. Now use the other set of wiring harnesses. Connect to the CAN bus box. Plug in the 16-pin connector. This is the power supply for the CAN bus box. If the original vehicle does not have an amplifier function, connect to no amp. If the original vehicle has an amplifier function, connect to with amp.